Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is the video from last week on Sunday. So we went to picking the flower. So it is the same place that we went to apple picking. At the same place, the same farm at the Pali farm. It's really nice there and it's really big. So we pay $6 for a one basket to get the whatever we want, and then after that we bring back to scale. And I think I pay more $7, so it's $13 total. But it's really nice, like you can look in a beautiful place, like it's really beautiful. So that one is not expensive. So look at that, the farm is so beautiful and so big. It is so big and really beautiful. Look at that, it's really nice. I just want to show you guys that's the beautiful place, that's really beautiful. I love it. I can come to stay here like every day. So look at the flower, so beautiful. It's really feel good when we see the flower, right? This how to teach Daniel how to cut it. He doesn't know how to use this, but I just teach him how to do it. So this, look at that, it's beautiful. Look at the bee. They have the bee too. They have the bee. That means the flower is fresh. Look at that. So nice. And then after that, I bring them wrap for me. I asked him already that I can take the video. He said, yeah, it's fine. It's so sweet. It's so nice. Yeah, that's after that they wrap it for us. He did really good job, and is like an expert. He did really good job. I hope everyone enjoy my video, and thank you so much to watching until the end. And thank you so much for your like, love, comment, and subscribe, and follow. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.